Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am JAHANGIR'S. Today I am going to discuss about Unit 1 Igcse O Level Physics, Chapter 4 Momentum. In this chapter, first we have to learn about what is momentum and what is the formula for momentum, and what is the unit of momentum. In this question is about momentum. Momentum is the product of mass into velocity. So unit of mass is kg, kilogram, and unit of velocity is meter per second. That's why unit of momentum is kg meter per second. This one is the correct answer for unit of momentum. Okay, now next one, the diagram shows an object before and after an explosion. The object breaks into two parts. This object is stationary and its mass is 4.8 kg. After explosion, two parts P and Q, the parts move away from each other in the opposite direction. State the meant by the principle of conservation of momentum. What is the principle of conservation of momentum? Without any external force except collision or explosion, total momentum before collision or explosion is equal to total momentum after explosion or collision. So ইউনিভার্সে যে কোনো ইভেন্ট হইলে কিছু একটা জিনিস কনস্ট্যান্ট থাকে, যা লাইক এনার্জি ক্যান নট বি ক্রিয়েটেড অর ডিস্ট্রয়েড, উই ক্যান কনভার্ট অনলি ফ্রম ওয়ান স্টোর টু অ্যানাদার স্টোর. So like this, momentum also remains conserved if no external force is acting on the colliding or exploding body. So remember, what is the conservation law of momentum? So without any external force except without any external force except collision or explosion, total momentum before is equal to total momentum after. Remember this concept. So without any external force except collision or explosion, total momentum before collision or explosion is equal to total momentum after. Calculate the magnitude of the velocity of the part P after explosion. Before explosion, total momentum was 0 because it was stationary. So mass of the P, initial velocity of the P, plus mass of the Q, initial velocity of the Q, equal to mass of P, final velocity of the P, plus mass of Q, final velocity of the Q. So total momentum before was 0. So after mass is 2.9, we have to find out the velocity, and mass of the Q part is 1.9 and velocity is 3.7 meter per second. So after calculation we get V equal to minus 1.9 into 3.7 divided by 2.9. After calculation we get So So 1.9 into 3.7 divided by 2.9. So 2.42 meter per second. So minus 2.42 because P object moves left direction. A child drops an egg from a height of 10 centimeter and the egg lands on the floor. So explain why the egg is less likely to break if the floor is covered with thick carpet. So we know impact force equal to change in momentum divided by time of collision. So if the floor is covered with thick carpet, then time of collision increases, then impact force decreases. So then the egg is less likely to break. So if floor is covered with thick carpet. So if floor is covered with thick carpet, then time of collision increases. If time of collision increases, then impact force decreases. So the egg is less likely to break. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel if you like this video and share my video with your friends and family.